How to fix YouTube Shorts stuck processing. If you're trying to upload a new video onto YouTube Shorts and it is not uploading fully. Now for the most part, this is not a serious issue. And can be solved within a couple of steps. The first thing that you can do instantly is try to re-upload the video. So delete the video that is currently stuck and then try re-uploading it. By alone doing this step, you should be able to fix this issue. If the issue is still not fixed for you, make sure that the format that you're uploading YouTube Shorts on is in the aspect ratio of 9:16. If your video is not on that aspect ratio, your video will not be uploaded to YouTube Shorts. Also, you need to check your internet connection and try switching from Wi-Fi or your cellular data and vice versa. However, if you're still facing this issue after doing these couple of steps, the other thing that you can also try out is try to clear the cache and data of your YouTube platform. So tap and hold the app and then head over to app info. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option called clear data and tap on the clear all data option. Now, after doing all of these steps, you're still facing this issue, then it is likely the server issue, meaning if there are many users trying to upload the videos at once, so you need to wait out a couple of hours before you try to upload the video again. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, do let me know. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.